Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to do a very simple, no-fail pie dough. I've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that's 300 grams. 3/4 of a cup of vegetable shortening, and that is 143 grams. 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 grams. And our last ingredient, some very cold water. I've added some ice cubes just to make sure that it's extra cold. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. Our first step, I'm going to take all of our flour and get that right into our little food processor here. That's good. We'll get our salt in. There we go. And then our vegetable shortening. And this shortening is 100% vegetable based. Get all of that in. And I'm just going to get my top on here. And at this point, I just want to pulse. I don't want to overwork the dough. So I'm just looking for that little pea consistency here. Just move it around. Let's open that up. And you can see what it looks like. If some is still up on the top, you can just move it down. Just like that. That looks pretty good as it is. So I'm not going to mix that anymore. And then we're going to add in our cold water. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sometimes you're going to need the 7th, maybe even 8. That is a tablespoon, by the way. So that's about 15 grams worth of water for 1 tablespoon. So let's close this up. And then let's just pulse it. And this should bring it all together. There, all of a sudden it's turning into a ball. Don't want to overdo it. Now look at your dough. If it seems okay, then you don't have to add any more water. So I'm going to look at it. It's a little bit dry in areas. So I'm just going to, I'm going to leave it like that. So that there is 6 tablespoons of water. Sometimes I use 7. So that looks good. So let's remove this. I'm going to unplug my machine first here. And I'll remove the dough. Looks nice. Get it all out. Make sure you get everything out of your bowl. There we go. And then just bring everything together. And that's how easy it is to make a nice pie dough. You can just get it together. Just move it around a little bit. And that is it. So for this recipe I want to make 2 pie shells. So you can either weigh the dough and then split it so it's exact, or you can just eyeball it, which I'm going to do today. So you just get it right in the middle, remove one, there we go. And then I'm going to get this into a disc. So whenever you're making pie dough, never leave it in a ball to chill. Always get it into a disc. It's just so much easier to roll out like that. Okay, that's good. Just like that. Just get yourself some plastic wrap and then right onto there, just like that. Fold it over. And there we have it. And now you can even flatten it down a little bit more, just so you make your job that much easier when it's ready to roll out. And then you can just pop these into the fridge. They'll get nice and relaxed, and then you can use them tomorrow or later on today, whatever you need. If you're not using them right away, you can actually you can freeze these. Just pop them in the freezer and bring them out a few hours before you want to use them. So just close that up, and there we go. So there's our second one. I'll just cover it up. Give it a little bit of a squeeze. And that is it. So that is how easy it is to make pie dough. So I'm going to get both of those into the fridge, and that's basically it for this video. I'm using my pie dough tonight to make quiche, but you can use this for any type of pie that you wish. Apple pie, blueberry pie, cherry pie, whatever you love. So that's it for this really fun video. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.